Aero Revolution Touchscreen Deadbolt is a game changer. Security meet technology. Science fiction meet science fact. Affordability? Let me introduce you to innovation. With Aero technology, you don't have to give out multiple keys. This eliminates the risk of keys being lost, not returned, or worse, copied. With the privacy feature, you never need to worry about someone walking in during inopportune times. A simple press of the button allows you to lock down the keypad until the door is unlocked from the inside. And programming is so easy, anyone can do it, using voice-prompted instructions and a very intuitive menu. But with this ease, you also get control. You can lock out any individual user code whenever you wish, and even program in languages other than English.
Modo en español.
The Aero Revolution Touchscreen Deadbolt is a smarter, tougher, easier solution. Best of all, this technology, it isn't science fiction. It's here.